In a realm of opulence and worry, a young princess frets over her ailing father, the ruler of this land. Whispers of a mystical cure lead the princess to the edge of the forbidden woods, where the elusive blue lotus is said to bloom. The princess hesitates, torn between the urgency of her father's illness and the dangers lurking within the lush but treacherous forest. With determination hardening her gaze, she resolves to embark on the perilous journey into the heart of the forbidden woods. Each step forward brings new challenges, pushing her to confront the fears that threaten to overpower her lionhearted spirit. A mysterious figure materializes before her, a guardian of the coveted blue lotus, who demands a test of her mettle before granting access to the precious flower. In a moment of truth, she grasps the elusive bloom, feeling a surge of strength and determination coursing through her veins. With the coveted blue lotus in her possession, she emerges from the forbidden woods, her heart filled with newfound courage and purpose. The people hail her as a hero, celebrating her bravery and the restoration of the king to health, a testament to her unwavering spirit. In the end, the princess embraces her identity with pride, her journey through darkness, unveiling the inner courage and resilience that define her true essence.